Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Lofty versus KiwiCore. Lofty is all-in-one real estate CRM and marketing platform founded in 2016. Its target audience is individual agents, small to medium-sized teams, and brokerages. It has AI-driven automation and modern user interface. Key feature of Lofty is that it automates lead follow-up and prioritization and drag and drop builder with SEO tools. Google PPC integration and social media ads, built-in power dialer for efficient calling and automated workflows for lead nurturing. Real-time insights into lead activity and performance and access to CRM and communication tools on the go. It's starting at $449 per month with a one-time setup fee, additional user fees apply. Strength of Lofty is that it has modern and intuitive design, efficient lead follow-up and task management. It has competitive pricing for small teams and easy-to-use website builder with SEO tools. While weakness of Lofty is that it has some users report limited flexibility in certain features and mixed reviews regarding responsiveness. Lofty is best for individual agents and small to medium-sized teams seeking an AI-driven, user-friendly platform with modern features. Lofty is ideal for individual agents and small teams seeking an intuitive, AI-powered platform with modern features at a competitive price point. While the overview of KiwiCore is that it has comprehensive real estate platform with CRM, IDX website, and marketing tools. It has founded in 2011 and its target audience has large brokerage and teams and robust lead management and scalability. Key features of KiwiCore is that it manages leads, contacts, and transactions and customizable with MLS integration. It includes squeeze pages, landing pages, and property boost, and smart campaigns and behavioral automation. It has advanced reporting and lead routing and full-featured access for agents. It has extensive third-party integrations and custom pricing often bundled through brokerages. Strength of KiwiCore is that it has suitable for large teams and brokerages and all-in-one platform with extensive features. Detailed analytics and team performance tracking, while the weakness of KiwiCore is that it has steeper learning curve due to complex features. Some users find the interface outdated and clunky and reports of slow response times and unresolved issues. KiwiCore is best for large brokerages and teams requiring a scalable, comprehensive platform with advanced lead management and reporting capabilities. So basically, this is the difference between Lofty versus KiwiCore. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.